Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add bank account in Payoneer. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Move along to the next step. I'm going to go ahead to my browser. If you want to add or link bank account to Payoneer, just go ahead and sign in to Payoneer. And then from the main menu, select bank accounts. And then select either bank accounts for withdrawal or recipient bank accounts. Select the type bank account that you want to add. Select add the bank account and then follow on screen instructions to add the bank account details. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and I'm gonna use it on my phone. And if you want to use a withdrawal method basically, and you want to basically withdraw to a bank, just go ahead right here and click withdraw to a bank. If you don't have a bank account, you could just go ahead and add bank account basically, and then go ahead and move along to the next step, and then add the payment method, add the bank account details for your basically for your account. And basically they will direct you to a page that allows you to add the bank account details and all that, or you're gonna have to use the Payoneer web site, the official website, to actually make that process. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.